Hey guys, how's it going? My name is John, and today we're going to be talking about pet trust. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is John, and today we're going to be talking about pet trusts. Now, estate planning is about protecting what's important to you, although much of the traditional conversation focuses on surviving spouses, children, grandchildren. Many pet parents wonder what could happen to their furry children after their death, or if they become incapacitated and unable to care for the pets. Well, have you ever thought, what will happen to my cat, dog, or other pet if I pass away? What if I'm incapacitated and unable to care for them? Enter the pet trust. This tool is something that can easily be incorporated into a new or existing estate plan to provide a strategy for caring for your pets. Remember, estate planning is about protecting what's important to you. So even if you anticipate outliving your pets, it's always better to be safe than sorry. All right, let's talk about how a pet trust works. Although these can be set up as standalone trusts, most pet trusts are incorporated into your overall estate plan. First, you determine an amount of money you want to leave for the care of your pet. When the pet trust becomes active upon your death or incapacity, and while your pet is alive, the money you have set aside will be managed by a trustee for your pet's benefit. Now, second, decide on a caretaker who will have custody and responsibility for the care of your pet. Lastly, after your pet's death, the trust will terminate and any money that's left will be distributed to the remainder beneficiaries you have chosen. All right, let's talk about what a pet trust avoids. Frankly, it can be chaos for your pets if you're incapacitated or deceased without a plan. With the shuffle of so many other tasks, a pet can sometimes be overlooked or abandoned. A pet trust provides a legal tool to ensure that your beloved dog, cat, or other pet is not left somewhere merely because you are not here any longer. Proactively including a pet trust is especially important when you have family members that may be unable or unwilling to care for your beloved pets. All right, let's talk about the 3 easy decisions you'll make. Trust may seem complicated, but it is a reasonably straightforward process to getting your plan in order. A pet trust is a trust, so let's start talking about a quick review of the cast of characters in trusts. There's a grantor, the person who creates the pet trust, this is you. The trustee, the person who will manage the assets of the trust, you select who this is. And then the beneficiaries, who will receive whatever assets are left after your pet passes away, you choose this as well. In the case of a pet trust, there are 3 decisions you will need to make sure everything works as you intend. First, the selection of the remainder beneficiaries. These beneficiaries will receive the assets that remain, if any, after the pet has passed away. Some people leave the remaining assets to a favorite pet charity, whereas others have whatever's left pour into the children's or grandchildren's trust. The law is flexible, and you can tailor the plan to match your goals. It is entirely up to you. The selection of your pet's caretaker. You can think of this role as similar to the guardian of minor children. This will be the person who cares for your pet if you are no longer able to do so. You can leave detailed instructions or general recommendations for your pet's care, whichever works best for your pet's situation. The trustee will be authorized to distribute money to the caretaker for supplies, vet visits, vaccinations, medications, toys, or whatever else you specify in the agreement. You can even have some set aside for compensation for the caretaker if you wish. And third, the amount you want to set aside. Some people estimate the expected cost of caring for their pet over their pet's expected lifespan and leave that amount, plus a little margin for safety. With this approach, the goal is to provide for the care of the pet only. Others want to use the pet trust as a method for caring for their pet, but with an eventual charitable goal, say to a local animal shelter. Many of these people will allocate a large sum of money with an expectation that there will be money left over upon the pet's passing. Determining how much to set aside is really about what you are trying to achieve. We can help you come up with the right number. Moreover, since these plans are fully changeable, you can always update the amount as you and your pet's circumstances change. Now, you might be thinking that you will outlive your pets, so there's no reason to plan. But what if you don't? The entire purpose of estate planning is to ensure that you have left your wishes known and fully protected your whole family, including your furry, 4-legged children. All right, guys, so that is just a brief overview of the pet trust process. Again, it's like most trusts, they can be standalone or incorporated into your own estate plan. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you'll subscribe so that you'll get future videos that we put out centered around estate planning, something that we enjoy doing, and I hope you learned a little bit something from it. Until next time, we will see you then.